Hi besties! We got an exclusive box from Icegel and we are going to unbox it all right here before your eyes. Let's go! I got no nails for this. Yet.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
So it came in this really nice eco-friendly paper box, and it says nice to meet you, I'm Icegel, and under that it says exclusively made for Icegel ambassador only. So I am really grateful that they sent me this. Okay, let's go. Oh, it doesn't fit. Okay. Ooh. So right on the box it says it's high quality, vegan friendly, no animals testing, non-allergic products, one code perfect leveling, one code perfect coloring. So yeah, that is so good. We like that. We like this part like a lot. Let's see what there is in here. A bubble? Is that what we call it? Everything arrived in perfect condition, so it fulfilled its purpose. I believe these are some magnets. Let me see. So we got a pair of magnets. I believe these are the magnets that you just put in a tea and then you just like push it towards the free edge, and then you got a nice French line. So we're gonna test that out. We got some, I suppose these are palettes for like single-use palettes. Oh, and there's a card. It says, only for you, Icegel's influencers, the best quality for the best person like you. It's a couple of cards. Oh, it comes in this foil design too. It's so pretty. Over here it says, hello, we are Icegel. I hope you are doing fine. Here are our new products. I hope you love Icegel new products. Thank you always to be willing to review our products from Icegel. So, and here it says, have an amazing day. That is so sweet. Like, so sweet. And these are the new products. Okay, you guys. We got 2 bags. Where shall we start? I think this is just the way to go. Oh, I believe these cards come for swatching, but we're gonna do swatches on our samples, so, or on our nails. So yeah, I'm not sure. Gold glow and silver glow and pink glow. Oh boy, I think those are the solid gels that come in metallic colors. So exciting. I put a pillow coat on my on my nails just to be prepared, and this is sticky. Like, it's sticky. Anyway. Oh, what happened here? Let me stir it and just check. You know what? Let's swatch some of it like this. Oh. So it is not smooth. It has some texture. These small metallic particles that are inside. I kind of want to see the rest too, though. These are going to be very impressive in nail art designs. Ooh. So pretty. I'm not sure if I stir it too much, if it's going to turn like solid, like a solid color. We can try this here. I don't think the consistency is changing. I think this is how they're supposed to look. So let's get some of it. This looks really nice. These are also really good to clean your tools, your steering tools and all that. You know that, we call it Marie's. I'm not sure how the actual name is, or if that is the one. And the last one, the rose gold one. Oh, this is pretty. I'm not sure if it shows on camera or if it's just so reflective that you can't really see. This is looking so good. It looks super pigmented. All right, let's see. Guys, isn't that pretty? Let me cure this and tell you if it cures tacky or not. So yeah, give it a second. So this is what they look like. And it feels like they are tacky, so they will need a top coat if you're using them for nail art or something like that. And they're super pretty. They are. Let's get this out of the way and let's go on the big boy. I am Icegel. I suppose it is some magnetic polish. So this is what the box looks like. Oh. And we have 5 colors in here. Should I? Yeah. It is the Star Galaxy Prism I'm Icegel. Those polishes are made in Korea, like I told you. And you know how all the Korean manicures just look so on point, and how many effects they have. So yeah, let's start unpacking. Cure under the LED light for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. That's awesome. Ooh, that is green. So I'm getting a clear sample and we're gonna test them over here first to see them without any background color like black or white. This is what the color looks like without touching it, without a background and without a magnet yet. So I will be getting my magnet and keep pushing. Starting to get fancy. Okay, and from what I've seen, we'll get these T-shaped magnets. Perfect, so you take these two and you attach them like that. And while you're holding your nail like this, just put it close and just turn it like this. And soon you will see this line form, and this will give you a perfect French line every time. This is my first time doing it, but yeah, you can totally get better at this, but this is looking so cool. Oh, get some gel. Let me cure it and then we're gonna have some black behind it. Okay, yeah, that makes it pop for sure. The card they came with has the names of them too. So the green one was Farah, and now this one I believe is Sepia. This is purple and it looks so good. I hope you can see the colors as they are, because on the camera I see it as blue, but it's more like purple in real life. But not but not on the swatch. Okay, that's very interesting. Oh, duh, I think they show the color over here. So yeah, we're expecting something warm here, like an orange. Ooh. And last, so this is such a nice palette. Remember that I haven't touched it with the magnets yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do it right now. Well, I think I completely destroyed them. Just like that. Oh no. I don't get it. Where did all the color go? Like, wah, wah, wah. So the color is in there somewhere, guys. Oh boy. Okay, there is no point in me doing this anymore. So to make this right, I'm gonna paint my nails black and we're gonna test it all on me. All right, so nails are black. Let's get it. I'm putting a nice even coat. Wow, it just changed color. What? I was just moving my light to check where it looks better, and I just realized that depending on where the light hits it from, it looks like this means that the fact that the color comes that way that I have set it changes the whole experience. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry. I was not expecting this to change like this. So let's go like this and that. Then let's do the T-magnet. Just looking at something like this. Okay, I have educated myself and this is the 14th time, but I hope it is the last. That's the best I could make it look. Okay. This looks so weird. I will swatch the rest of them, but you guys will promise me that you're going to come to the next video that I'm going to link somewhere here to check like the results after practice, because this is definitely not how it's supposed to look. But yeah, let's see. We are now getting somewhere since like this is where we got started from. Okay. It's like erasing the edges and taking this and just flipping all the metals. That's cool. And I can see it purple from here, but you guys can see it as blue. And you see this as red, but I can see it as yellow. So it is pretty cool. Let's see this last one. Okay, guys. What do you think? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really think that this has so much potential. So, promise is a promise. I'll see you on the next one for more results.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause